And now the #1 spring danger to anyone with a driver's license or a bike, the first rain, because rain is so very dangerous in those first few hours after it falls, because that layer of dirt and oil on the roadway, it actually floats to the top, creates a very slippery layer. Anyone who's spun out knows this. What can we do to avoid that dreaded spin out?
Well, first of all, let me just give you a couple of ideas here. Windshield wipers, when they go on, headlights should also be on all the time. It's raining right now. I was driving down the street. I realized the windshield wipers are on. Headlights got to be on as well because it just gives you better visibility. That's one thing, all right? Also, braking earlier than you would normally brake. I grew up in Chicago. It snows. We know from the snowy climate, you brake about 100 yards before you're supposed to, and then, then you slow down. Same thing with rain, because that oil is on the concrete there. With a little moisture, it becomes like an ice rink. It's very, very slippery. Also, puddles. Everybody, my kids love it when I go, I'm going through the puddles. Dad, drive through the puddle. We get the spray off the car. You want to be careful because a lot of times potholes are very deep there and they're hidden. You don't really know what's underneath it, so you want to really kind of avoid those if possible. Cruise control. I know we all have the urge to kind of sit back, relax, and kind of let the car drive itself, but you really kind of lose control of the pedals at that point. Your steering is diminished because you're kind of relaxing into driving experience. Don't want to do that.